Hey there, this is Ivan with WTI, and if you're looking to expand your connections on your MacBook, then this Satechi Type-C Pro Hub is what you're looking for. The thing that I like the most about it is that it comes in the color that matches my MacBook perfectly. So that in itself is a win-win for me. As soon as you plug it in, you have a seamless experience with it. The main reason why I got this hub was because I needed the Ethernet port so that I can plug in my laptop into my internet hardwired so that I could do my work. I have had no issues with this hub, and I like that it expanded the capabilities of my MacBook by adding 2 USB connections in addition to the 2 Type-C connections that it already has on the left hand side. Plus, you don't lose that jack that is right next to it, but it also expands that capability, and now instead of plugging it into the left hand side, you kind of plug it into the bottom of the hub. I highly recommend this product. It feels really nice in your hand as well. It feels like it's the same material as the MacBook was made out of. So again, if you're looking to expand your capabilities, and specifically if you're looking for an Ethernet cable port as well, then this is a great choice. So don't hesitate to get it. That's my point of view.